Hi guys, so today I have a new video and I am actually going to be making two appetizers today. So what I'm going to be making is butternut squash and potato fritters, and then I'm also going to be making stuffed meatballs. And I'm going to stuff it with some mascarpone cheese and yellow and white cheddar cheese. And then for my meatballs, I'm gonna use some carrots, some grated carrots. I have grated ginger, some diced garlic, habanero, some cilantro, some red onion, some thyme, and some curry paste. And of course, I'm gonna use breadcrumbs. And then for my fritters, I have some chive, some sage, and some rosemary chopped up in here. I'm also going to use some garlic, and then I have some flour. Okay, so I'm just going to get right into the video, and right now I have my butter squash and potatoes. Make sure that you strain it and get all the excess water out before you start anything. But I went in with some of a mixed seasoning that I put together. You can obviously use any of the seasonings you desire, and then I am putting in my mixture of chives, rosemary, and sage. And then I'm going in there with some breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, and I am going in with some cornstarch and then some flour. And then I am going to add an egg. And then you just mix all that in there and make sure that you incorporate and combine all the ingredients. And then right now in a hot pan, I just have oil, and then I thought I recorded how I formed the patties, but basically you just form your potatoes and squash into cakes and you fry them until they're golden brown. And then moving on to the ground beef, I am adding some more of my seasoning mix. And then I'm adding in my chili paste, my curry paste, and then grated carrots, and I have some grated potato in there too. And then I am going in with my red onion, cilantro, garlic and ginger, habanero. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in with some black ground pepper. And then I am going to add in some cornstarch, and also again I am going to add in some flour. And then again I am going to go in with my breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to add one egg. And then I'm just going to put my gloves on, and then I'm going to add in some thyme, and then I am going to just mix in all my ingredients until everything is combined. Okay, and moving on to our cheese stuffing, I'm going to use about 3 spoonfuls of mascarpone cheese, and then I grated some yellow and white cheddar, and I'm going to add that to my mascarpone. And then with the seasonings, I have some mixed herb spice, and that's what I'm using right now. And then I'm going to add in some grounded black pepper, and then I'm going to add in my complete seasoning. So now we're going to stuff our meatballs, and basically I'm just flattening it out into my hand, and then I'm adding a scoop of my cream cheese mixture, and I'm just rolling it into a bowl. You can make it whatever size you desire. Mine are about medium sized. So basically I just flatten out the meat in my hand, and then I add the filling in the middle, and I just roll it and cover it. And when you're done, it should look something like this. And now I just added some oil into my Dutch oven skillet, and I'm just adding in my meatballs. So it's on medium heat right now, and you do want to wait till the oil is warm before you add your meatballs.
And that is it, guys. This is the finished product. So this is what it looked like after I plated it. So we have the cheesy meatballs and your butternut squash and potato fritters. And I just basically topped the fritters with some sour cream and some chives. But yeah, guys, this was really easy and quick to make. And it's also very affordable. So yeah, I hope you guys try the recipe and you enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching.